Hi everyone, my name is Philip Liu, Program Chair for PNSQC 2019. This year we're having a special event on January 25th to kick off the opening for our call for papers for the conference. For the event we'll have 5 speakers, each speaking for 10 to 15 minutes on a topic related to our 2019 theme of a culture of quality. We invite all of our PNSQC community to participate in the event either through attendance or as one of our 5 speakers. This video is a brief tutorial on how to submit your talk for the January 25th kickoff event. Here we go. So what you do is you go into this our OpenConference paper submission site, and what you would do is just click on Make a Submission. Okay, so once you get through all of these fields, such as your great talk on software quality and culture and so on, and fill out your author information, it'd be great to have your phone number in case we have some logistical issues that we need to work through for the talk. Put yourself as the contact author, make sure you have a topic area, make sure you fill in keywords, the abstract, and alerting. Those are mandatory fields, as well as the password. And then, of course, make sure that you are not a robot. Okay, once you've made your submission, you can also go in and edit your submission at any time. And you would just do this and go in and edit. And here you can add some things into your biography, for instance, and as well as anything to the abstract, as well as the learnings to help us evaluate your submission. What we'd like you to do as well is upload files. In particular, it would be nice to have your photo. So if you want to put in your photo, that would be great. You can also upload your presentation. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to upload my photo, and then I'm also going to upload the presentation. Okay, so just make sure that you set the format of the file that you're uploading to PowerPoint, if it is a PowerPoint presentation for your talk, as well as finding the file on your Finder and uploading that. And we look forward to receiving your abstracts. We'll see you on January 25th. Thanks.